Sally is paid a fixed amount of money to walk her neighbor's dog every day after school. When she is paid each month, she puts aside $20 to spend and saves the remaining amount. Write an expression that represents the amount Sally will save in 6 months if she can earn M dollars each month. If Sally is paid $65 each month, how much will she save in 6 months? So we know that she gets paid M dollars and she spends 20. If you spend 20, you are taking that money out of what you are earning. And she does this for 6 months. So all of that gets multiplied by 6. Using the distributive property, we take 6 and multiply it by m, which gives us 6m. And 6 gets multiplied by 20, which is 120, with the subtraction in the middle. And it says if she is paid $65 each month, well, M is how much she gets paid each month, then we would plug that in for M. And 6 times 65 is 390. And if we subtract 120 from that, we get 270 is saved in 6 months. Number 2, a football team scored 3 touchdowns, 3 extra points, and a field goal, and 4 field goals. Write an expression to represent the total number of points the football team scored. So they have 3 touchdowns, 3 extra points, and 4 field goals. In B, it tells us to write another expression. We can separate this out. We could say, well, that's like T plus T plus T for the 3 touchdowns, E, and E for the 3 extra points, and F plus F plus F plus F for all 4 field goals. And then in part C, it says if each touchdown is worth 6 points, so we're going to go back to that original expression because it's a little more condensed. And each extra point is worth 1. And a field goal is 3 points. How many total points did the team score? 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3. And 4 times 3 is 12. You can combine these two because those 8 and 2 make a 10 for a total of 30. And our final answer should say 33 points.